The Galaxy A55 is turning heads even before its official launch, giving us a glimpse of what seems like a refreshed version of the Galaxy S24 Lite, but with distinctive charm. The design and color choices of the A55 are captivating, offering a sleeker look with its reportedly thinner front bezels compared to its predecessor, the A54. Samsung's approach of subtle yet impactful design evolution is evident in the A55. Moving from plastic to a metal frame and adding a glass back not only elevates the phone's aesthetics but also its tactile feel. Another notable feature is the Key Island design, an elegant solution that accentuates the volume and power buttons, enhancing the device's overall sleekness. These enhancements are a testament to Samsung's commitment to refining its mid-range offerings gradually. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, indicating a significant boost in speed, about 21% faster than the A54, aligning it with the performance levels of the Galaxy S21. Coupled with the AMD RDNA2-based Xclipse 530 GPU and an integrated 5G modem, the A55 is poised to offer an improved user experience, from day-to-day tasks to gaming. The camera setup is equally impressive, with expectations of a 50MP primary camera, complemented by a 12MP ultrawide, a 5MP macro, and a 32MP front camera. Although the A54 introduced Wi-Fi 6, the A55 might not leap to Wi-Fi 6E or 7, which isn't necessarily a setback. With Android 14 and One UI 6.1 out of the box, the A55 may also incorporate some of the AI capabilities seen in the Galaxy S24 series, although this remains speculative. What are your thoughts on the anticipated Galaxy A55? Are these updates enough to pique your interest? Share your opinions in the comments, and remember to subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. See you in the next update.